Okay, everybody, this is just a short little thing that I'm going to talk to you about. When I talked about the pen tool and the shape tool, I always told you guys to have it on shape because it recognizes it, it's vector artwork, it's cool. But I'm going to show you why we use path now too. And I'm going to use the pen tool. I'm going to change it to path, and I'm going to click here, and I'm going to make myself a nice soft path. And we'll go to about there. It looks good. When I go to the text tool, I click on here, and I'm going to be able to click on the actual path. I do not want this font. Let's change a different font so it's a little easier, a little thicker. Let's see. Yeah, I'm getting picky. Let's go. I guess it's called fork. So we're going to go with fork. Okay. So once I click on it, I've got the text tool. I click on it, and you're going to notice I click, and it actually says the font is loading, and notice it types on the actual path. So I can write down, "This is so cool. I am surprised." So, surprised. All right. And it's very neat. What I like about this is I can go into my characters over here and I can change things. Again, in my text tool, come here, click. I can highlight things. If I want to make it larger, I'm just going to type in, let's type in 300. And notice it gets larger. Now you're going to see spacing is a little different, and it works really well sometimes. And that's so you can see this pretty easy. Let's go 350, and notice you can see some things are a little bit bigger than others. More spacing, like it reads really well here, but right here when it's surprise, it looks a little condensed. Notice I could just come in the text tool, select just the word surprised, and I can mess with the tracking, and you can actually see it separate to whatever you want. So you don't have to do everything, and it's not all one. It's whatever you highlight and you put on whatever you need. So know that once that's done, click over here and notice it looks really well. So this is just something else. If you want to, you want to actually type on a path, you have to make sure that when you're in the pen tool, it says path. And it should definitely go away. The blue line will go away. It won't show up in your end product, but it does show you where it is and where you're going to. Okay, so that's just a little extra something that's going on that I think you might want to use, or you might want to consider using in our next project or our very first e-learning project. Just a little tidbit, a little extra. You guys have a wonderful day. Take care.